enjoy. Oh, hot chocolate. Go. Go. Look. Okay.
Just go over here. You can see a bit better. Gonna give us a wave, Luz.
Huh?
Gonna give me a wave. Do you like your new Hoover?
Yeah.
It's much easier to use, isn't it? It means you can help us with the housework. Wow, look at all that dirt in it already. Yep, I'm going to buy one of them loose. No, for my house because I like it. Pardon? Because I like that one. I want one of them ones. I want the same Hoover as you at my house. The same as yours, they only come in blue. Blue and grey. You're doing a fantastic job there, Luz. Let's swap sides. Yeah, almost done, and then I can do the edges for you. Yeah. Wow, you've done a fantastic job there, Luz.
That's the hot roll. That's chocolate. That's the hot roll.
Yeah.
That's chocolate.
Yeah. Right, are you going to cut?
Okay. And
Fantastic job. And cut.
chop.